There's a view of the hilltop house from the valley below. Had a brownout last night, so we all slept on the upper deck up there where things were a little bit cooler. This is a grove of coconut trees we have here. Down to the valley there. Made a little more progress on our carport. I'm going down to take a bath. I didn't know she was back.
Huh?
Who's that?
Maris!
Oh, I thought it was Ika. Oh. She was already down there, no?
No, to pick up the basin.
Call that Poop Hill there. Everybody hangs their butt over the edge.
Back then.
I think they still do. Stand out on that rock right there. Hang your butt off the edge. Have a couple of leaves to wipe your butt.
Look at the pieces. Try.
Yeah. Got natural growing basil here. There's lots of herbs here that just grow wild. A lot of live rock around here. This was once a farm field right here. Still terraced out. You can grow some crops here. They grew peanuts here. This is where the peanuts were all growing. So you could clean it up. Get all the rocks out and plow the field. Grow some corn or something here. See, everybody carries up water. It's the daily ritual. Carry rock water up from the valley. See some interesting looking rocks here. I think they got a lot of iron ore and stuff mixed in with them. May have some gemstones. Have to start chipping away at it. This is the bowl up here. Or no, I think this is another mother. Actually, we have several carabao. Can't keep track of them all. Is that a mother?
Yeah.
Where's the bowl at? Down there?
There's no bowl.
There's no more bowl? They sold it? This mother recently gave birth, so you gotta watch out around her. She's got some horns on her. This is the slow progress we made. We need
Siguro
to
what's in-
we need to just build as the water supply allows.
Waiting for the water.
Yeah.
Rain.
Yep, we got to stop every once in a while because we just don't have the water. But we got our storage shed pretty much done. They're just working on the door for it now.
And oh,
We got the next
this is triple purpose.
slab here poured.
The storage is the septic tank,
Yeah,
and then we build.
we're gonna add
another
another 6 foot.
In the future, evacuation center of us.
We're gonna add another 6 foot addition to the sunshade here. It comes out and angles outward. So they got a couple more cutouts for post, which we're just going to use 2x4 metal to support this awning that comes out. Have it come out a little lower and angle out. Then we'll start pouring more slabs out here. Give us a big enough area to turn around. Then concrete up a nice walkway up to the front of the house there. But yeah, we slept up there last night. It's hotter than a firecracker. But it had a nice cool breeze up on top. No power, so no fans. It's pretty hard to go to sleep if you don't have a fan. Still got plenty of gravel and plenty of sand. Once we get this driveway all done here, we'll start working on the roadway down to the Barangay Road down there. We still got some metal left, and this is the roofing for our additional awning for the garage. Guys took today off. No water, so I mean, we got enough water maybe to put in these footings, but we'll just hold off until we get some more rain. They may start working on this, put the supports in, and start working on the metal for the awning up here. But this past week they've been working on the storage shed. Filled all the areas in around here. We got no windows, we just got some vents. We'll run a solar light on the inside for lighting. See, they got the door frame all in. The door frame's all in. They got the door just about done. We just need to buy some hinges and doorknob. Filled it all in around the storage shed. Got all kinds of lumber left over here for scaffolding. We'll widen this walkway down here. They've already kind of widened it right here by the doorway. But we'll continue that up. As you can see, our plumbing all is on the outside of the house. So if you never ever have to replace anything, although it is exposed to the elements a little bit more out here, at least you can get at it if you have any leaks. So it's just a province house. We're gonna have to replace some of the gutters. That's one advice I have for anybody that's building here in the Philippines. Make sure you get good quality gutters, because these only lasted about 2 years. And they started rusting through, especially if you rely on rainwater to fill your tanks. We got a few areas where the bottom of the drain gutters have completely rotted out. So we got some on order. We're going to get some high quality gutters. I think I have like a 10-year warranty. But if you just buy them from a local hardware, they often just bend them out of sheet metal themselves. Really thin sheet metal, and it doesn't last long. Might be a good idea to give them a few coats of rust preventative painting, I mean. These are the supports for the awning for the garage here. They've already got the footings, rebar already welded on the ends, so they'll just mount them in there and cement them over. 2x4s, tubular metal 2x4s, standard. Don't use substandard. Never use substandard here. You'll be sorry. It's our gate. We need to weld it back on. Welding job wasn't done too well. So they're going to weld it back on. They're going to add a little bit to the bottom of it just to keep frogs from coming in down here. We had a gap there. Allow frogs to jump in. We may have to put a plate on the bottom of it too, just to make sure we don't got toads jumping in. This is our little backyard here. Still pretty dirty. Still haven't cleaned up. Got all kinds of beans growing here. Even got a little bit of vanilla right here growing that we ordered. Just a couple small little vanillas. Vanilla orchids. They seem to be doing okay. They were pretty cheap, so they weren't mature. They were still pretty small and baby, so it's going to take years for those to grow. So maybe we can get some cuttings and we'll start adding on to our vanilla. But this is my wife's idea here. I can't argue with her. I don't usually win that argument, so this was her idea to grow the vanilla here. Okay, that's basically it for the update here in Bohol. Alright guys, take care.